Did you know that YouTube has created more millionaires than any other social media platform? And guess what? In 2025, it's still one of the best ways to make money online. But YouTube's monetization game has changed, and if you want to start earning, you need to know the latest strategies. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make money on YouTube in 2025, even if you're just starting. And stay till the end, because I'll reveal the top 5 most profitable YouTube niches to help you grow fast. Let's dive in. Segment 1. YouTube Partner Program YPP. How to get monetized on YouTube. To start earning money from YouTube ads, you must join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. In 2025, here are the requirements. 1,000 subscribers was 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million YouTube Shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you hit these numbers, you can apply for monetization, and YouTube will review your channel. But here's the thing. Getting monetized is just the beginning. How much can you earn from ads? YouTube pays creators based on CPM cost per 1,000 impressions and RPM revenue per 1,000 views. Here are some CPM ad rates by niche in 2025. First, tech and AI, $20 to $50 CPM. Second, finance and investing, $30 to $60 CPM. Third, gaming, $5 to $15 CPM. Fourth, vlogs and lifestyle, $3 to $10 CPM. But remember, YouTube takes a 45% cut, and you only get 58 gig of ad revenue. Example, a finance channel with a $30 CPM and 1 million views could make $30,000 from ads alone. Pro tip, make videos at least 8 minutes long so you can place mid-roll ads, which increases earnings. Segment 2. YouTube Shorts Monetization. Shorts have exploded in popularity, but can you actually make money from them? Yes. In 2025, YouTube offers multiple ways to earn from Shorts. Super thanks on Shorts. Viewers can send donations directly on Shorts. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Brands now pay for 15 to 60-second Shorts ads. Pro tip. Use trending music, short captions, and jump cuts to boost engagement. Example, a viral Shorts creator getting 50 million views per month could earn $5,000, $20,000 monthly just from ad revenue. Segment 3. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Not making enough from ads? Here's where the big money is. Affiliate marketing, passive income strategy. Affiliate marketing means promoting products or services in exchange for a commission. Best affiliate programs for YouTube. Amazon Associates, 4 to 10% commission. Tech products, Best Buy, Apple, etc. Online courses, Udemy, Skillshare, etc. Software, Canva, vidIQ, AI tools. Example. A creator making tutorial videos can earn $100 to $500 per day by promoting an AI tool. Brand sponsorships, big money. How much can you make from sponsorships? Small channels, 10K to 50K subs, can get $5,000 to $2,000 per brand deal. Medium channels, 50K to 500K subs, can grab up to $2,000 to $10,000 per brand deal. Large channels, 1 million plus subs, can hold $20,000 or above per brand deal. Example, a fitness creator promoting a protein brand could make $5,000 or more per sponsored video. Amazing, right? Pro tip. Even with a small audience, you can reach out to brands directly and offer sponsorship packages. Before moving to the next segment, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to never miss out on any new valuable content for you. Segment 4. Channel memberships and super features. Want recurring income? YouTube's super features are perfect for that. Here are some ways to make money from your fans. 1. Channel memberships. Offer exclusive content for members who pay monthly fees. 2. Super chats and super stickers. Viewers tip money during live streams. 3. Super thanks. Fans donate on regular videos. Example: a gaming channel with 1,000 loyal members paying $5 per month could earn $5,000 monthly. Segment 5. Selling digital products and services. One of the most profitable ways to make money on YouTube is selling your own products. Best digital products to sell are ebooks, guides on the topics like fitness, finance, etc. Online courses. Teach skills like video editing, coding, or marketing. Notion templates, PDFs, graphics. Example: a personal finance YouTuber selling a 50 budget planner could make $10,000 a month with just 200 sales. Pro tip: use YouTube as a funnel to drive traffic to your website or online store. Segment 6. Top 5 YouTube niches for 2025. Want to grow fast? Pick the right niche. Here you go with the top 5 most profitable niches in 2025. 1. AI and tech reviews. Cover AI tools, new gadgets, and tech trends. 2. Personal finance and investing. Teach budgeting, investing, and side hustles. 3. Health and wellness. Share fitness routines, mental health tips, and diets. 4. Educational and how-to videos. Tutorials on coding, business, or self-improvement. 5. Gaming and entertainment. Let's plays, reaction videos, and gaming news. Pro tip: find a niche that balances passion and profitability. So now you know how to make money on YouTube in 2025. Which monetization method are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any exclusive future videos. Until next time, keep creating and start earning.